type of polynomial. It is type of polynomial based on the degree, right? So first of all, let me define what is degree. What do you understand by the word degree? Degree means uh, degree. Suppose let us understand this thing with the help of example first. Suppose if I write any expression here, x power 2 plus 3 x power 1 plus 1, right? So look at the power of the variable. So what is the power of variable in this case? It's equal to 1. The power of variable of x, the power of x here, it is 2, right? So what is the highest power here in this case?
2.
Yes, right. Highest power is highest power of what? Highest power of x, and x is called as variable here. The highest power of variable is equal to 2 in this case. Let me write the another example for you here. Suppose it is x power 3 plus 4x plus 5. So what is the highest power in this case?
Sir, 3.
Yes, its highest power is it's 3. Okay, so let me give you the definition for the degree. Degree means degree is the highest power of variable in a mathematical expression is called as degree. Highest power. It's not the simple power.
Different variables.
If there are different variables, we do not study it here. We are studying only the single in a single variable, polynomial in a single variable, right? Highest power of variable is called degree. The highest power of variable is called degree, and in this case, what is the degree in this case is degree equal to
3.
3. Okay, let me write the another example. If it is written 5 x plus 3, what is the degree in this case?
Sir, 1. 1.
Very good. Degree is 1. If I write only 3 here, what is the degree in this case? Anyone?
0. Sir, 0.
Yes, very good. Degree is 0. But because there is no x is not there, how you can say that degree is 0?
Sir, because sir, x is not there. So in that because variable is not 0.
Yes, right. X is there. X is there, but it's disappear. Why? Because its power becomes 0. Its power becomes 0, right? So if it is written 3 only, so x is also there, but it's disappear. Why? Because its power becomes 0. Its degree is equal to 0. Now let me another case. If I write it here, the example, if I write only 0 here, so what is the degree in this case? No, degree is not 0 in this case. No,
1.
it's not 1 also. In this case, degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. I will explain this thing to you, why its degree is not defined in this case. Now, let me first discuss the type of polynomial based on the degree here. Now there is, if the degree is equal to 1, if degree is equal to 1, that polynomial is called, if degree is 1, that polynomial is called as linear polynomial, right? If the degree of the polynomial is 1, then that polynomial is called as linear polynomial. If degree of polynomial is 2, if degree is 2, it is called as,
Quadratic.
very good, quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, then it is called as,
Cubic polynomial.
good, cubic polynomial. It is called as cubic polynomial. Good. If let me tell you, if degree is 4, then it is called as, if degree is 4, then it is called as biquadratic polynomial. Bi means 2 and quadratic means 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Biquadratic polynomial. right? And if degree is 0, then it is called as, if degree equal to 0, then it is called as, what is this number 3? This 3 number is constant only. So then it is called as constant polynomial. If degree is 0, then it is called as constant polynomial.
So what if degree is more than 4?
Then we say that it as polynomial. And if the degree is not defined, if it is written 0 only, that type of polynomial is called as zero polynomial. That type of polynomial is called as zero polynomial. So this is the type of polynomial based on the degree. We have discussed it here with the help of the examples. I hope it's clear to you all.